Several state units of the BCCI have been unhappy since the Supreme Court stopped their funding from the parent body till they implemented the Lodha reforms in toto. The latest association to have a problem is the Saurashtra Cricket Association, which has asked the board to release funds so that it can pay match fees to its players at all levels for the domestic season. In a letter to the BCCI CEO Rahul Johri, which has been copied to members of the Supreme Court appointed Committee of Administrators and senior BCCI officials and all state associations, SCA Joint Secretary wrote, "This is with reference to pending and much overdue reimbursements of funds from the BCCI to our associations. Payment to all the players who've played in the matches of domestic tournaments of the BCCI haven't been paid so far. We see no reason for BCCI not sending funds to make necessary payments to all of the men and women players who've represented their respective associations in domestic tournaments, including the most important and prestigious Ranji Trophy." The SCA further in the letter urged the board to look into the matter urgently. They said, "The fees of these players are paid by the BCCI. We believe that the Supreme Court hasn't given any such guidelines of not paying or delaying due to payment to all these domestic players. We request you to take up this matter urgently." Other than this, the SCA has also asked the board to ensure timely payment of Rs 1.5 crore for staging 5 IPL 10 games this season at its stadium in Rajkot.